Welcome back to York, Carolina. We're here at Stewart Law offices in Spartanburg, and I'm here with Brent Stewart. He is the founder of the law firm here, and always good to see you, sir.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, so you deal with workers' compensation, personal injury, and we get lots of calls at the station about these types of cases. So you're in the right business. You chose the right one.
So sometimes I think so, sometimes I think not. So
I bet day to day. But the one thing that drives you in this business is the fact that you're passionate about helping people.
I think that's how it all started out for me and why I liked doing this type of law. You can work for the corporations, and I think that's important to do that and work hard if that's what you choose. But they have people that they use and they can pay them well. I think the public needs someone that's willing to step up for them, and that's what we've decided to do here.
And we're thankful that you do that. And let's talk about workers' compensation, like kind of a 101. When people are in their workplace, no one thinks about getting injured, but unfortunately it is one of those realities that happens. When that happens, take us from the beginning. What should we do the moment that we had that injury?
The first thing you should do when you get hurt is to make sure that whatever the situation was hurting you is removed and that you're now safe.
Sure.
That you want to prevent yourself from being injured more than you've already been. All right. The second thing is you want to report this to HR. You want to report it to your manager. It doesn't even hurt to report it in writing. All right. If you've decided that you need to get treatment, you need to ask your employer for treatment, because under workers' comp, the employer has the right to pick the doctor.
Okay, very important. And so don't wait days and days. I got injured, 5 days ago. I'll tell them later, and then go to your own doctor. Those are big no-nos.
Well, I've seen this happen more than not, and it's bad, is that somebody will get hurt at work. They don't want to report it. So they go to their family doctor. They're afraid if they say it's on the job that their personal health insurance will not cover it. So they innocently say, this happened at home. It's my knee. They think it's going to be minor. Then the knee injury gets worse. They need a surgery. So now they go to their employer and say, I want to file the complaint. Well, now you have that medical record out there that you shouldn't have said that you were hurt the way you were, but you didn't want to bother your employer. You wanted to make sure insurance covered it. So you set it up in that record saying it was at home. It is nearly impossible to get around that. You need to report this instantly. You need to tell the doctor exactly what happened, and you need to give your employer the chance to send you to the doctor to start with.
I'm sure a lot of people are afraid of retaliation. If I tell my employer, am I going to get fired because I got injured on the job? And that's something that is not happening.
It's not permitted in the state. Is it happening?
Perhaps.
Perhaps it is. A good employer shouldn't have that happen. I've had staff members get hurt in car wrecks here. I always try to take care of them. I think that if you go out of your way to try to prevent a workers' comp claim and just do things that are nasty to the employer, or to the employee, in the end, you might get hit worse. In the end, if this gets to a commissioner, they're going to hear the behavior from both sides. And if you, as the claimant, do bad things, they're not going to be as apt to give you a full recovery. If you, as an employer, are doing things that are terrible to this person, you might get hit a little harder than you want to be hit.
Right.
So I just think being nice and polite is always key.
Always the golden rule, better to operate that way. You offer a free consultation, and I know workers' compensation cases are going to be far more convoluted than we can ever talk about here. Every case is so different. Best to set up that free consultation to talk to you and your team.
I think it never hurts when you're injured on the job to come in and talk. You don't have to sign a contract. Personal injury lawyers in their contracts have a clause that say, you can sign up and call me the next day and fire me. It is what it is. You're in control. You're the client. We'll give you advice of what to do, but what you do is going to be what you do. If you don't listen to us, then that's on you. But I don't think it hurts immediately to come in, see the attorney, get some advice, talk to 2 or 3 attorneys if you want. But it never hurts to get knowledge is key. It never hurts. And
you're right. You guys at home are the client. You want to make sure you're dealing with someone that has your best interest at heart. You can always call 866-STEWART. You can go to stewartlawoffices.net and visit them here on South Palling Street in Spartanburg. Brent, thank you so much.
Thank you.